Today we're going to be talking about probability as we review for the milestone. Some vocab. An event is an outcome or a set of outcomes of a random phenomenon. Sample space is a random phenomenon and a set of all possible outcomes. Union is a symbol that represents or in probability notation that looks like this. Intersection is a symbol that represents and in probability notation. And that symbol looks like this. And the complement is the probability of A not occurring. And the way to write it out in formula is probability of A superscript C equals 1 P of A. Some examples, an event could be rolling a dice or flipping a coin. Sample space are all the numbers on a dice, so 1 through 6. Union, the way it looks is P, the probability of A and B, and intersection is the probability of A or B. And the complement could be the probability of not rolling a 4 on a die. If A and B are independent, then P and B equals probability of A times probability of B. This is the multiplication rule. A little tidbit. Me and Marley's favorite candy are Hershey's. Circle the one that is an independent event. So choosing yellow marble and getting heads by flipping a coin, or choosing a card and not replacing it. It would be A, because if you chose a yellow marble and if you flipped heads, those two events have nothing to do with each other and don't affect each other's outcomes. So as you fill in the chart, let's answer some questions. What is the probability of being a male and playing volleyball? So, probability of male and volleyball. That would be 7 out of 54 total male. And when you divide that, it would be 0.13. Down. What is the probability of a female running track? So female track would be 7 out of 54. No, I'm sorry, 46. And that equals 0.35. And the last one, what is the probability of both genders playing basketball? That would be 32. So you add the totals together out of 100 because it's both male and female. And so then it'd just be 0.32. Are these events independent of each other? Yes, because being male or female has no effect on whether you like chocolate or vanilla butter. What is the probability that the person is a male and likes chocolate? This would be 16 out of 50.22. Okay, what is the probability that two redheads will walk into a store right after each other? The probability of being a redhead in the United States is 0.0314. So since these two events are independent of each other, we would do times 0.0314, and that would be 0.00098596. Alright, what is the probability of playing volleyball given that you're a male? So, you're male, you out of 54, and playing volleyball, it would be 7, 4, and that would equal 0.13. What is the probability of running track given that you're female? So 16 out of 46 females, that would equal 0.38. What is the probability of playing basketball and football given that you're a male? It would be 0.66. And the last standard is the addition rule standard, and looking at this chart, what is the probability of getting an A on test? And so first thing you have to do is add up getting an A or getting a B, and that would be 13. And the probability of getting an A is 5. So 5 over 13 equals 0.38. Now what is the probability of getting B? So let's back up, 8. It'll be 8 out of 13, and that equals 0.62.